First, open the Meshtastic official website. Click on Downloads. Locate the firmware section. Click Download Stable. On the redirected page, select the chip model of your board under the Device Type section. For the T-beam, choose ESP32 after downloading the firmware package. Extract all files. Locate the firmware file specific to the T-beam. Open the Flash Download tool. Select ESP32 as the chip type. Click the File Path field to browse and select the extracted firmware file. Find the T-beam firmware. Ensure the write address is set to 0x0 and check the firmware box. Select the serial port corresponding to the device. Just click Download and wait for a moment. Open the Meshtastic mobile app. Tap Add Device. Select the device you want to connect to. Enter the Bluetooth pairing code when prompted. Wait for the module to initialize. Configure the region settings. Devices must use the same frequency band to communicate. Wait for the region configuration to complete. Repeat the same steps for other devices, ensuring all are set to the same frequency band. Next, we will demonstrate the communication using mobile phones to forward messages via T-beam. Switch to the long-fast channel. Any device within the same region, as determined by the system, can receive the broadcasted messages on this channel. Send a hello message. The other device successfully received the message. Send hi from another device. Both devices have completed sending and receiving messages.